Hello and welcome to my Sunday Fun. So today we're making spaghetti and cheese bread. So for the cheese bread, I'm just gonna get out a sub rolls, and then I'm gonna put the sub rolls in some oil to toast it. So you just open it and put the face side down, and then we'll put it in the oven with some cheese. And I'm gonna put in the bologna. And the bologna, I'm just gonna put a little piece in there or two. And actually, I think I'm gonna put some onion in here just to make sure I use up the onion. And I'll go ahead and season this bologna. On both sides. And I want them chopped up, not too small, just small enough that I can see them in the sauce. I want to put enough cheese on the toast. And actually, I can put the garlic powder on first, garlic powder, and then salt. So I'm going to use a little bit of salt, and then some of the cheese, just like that. And then I'll do it again on this side, garlic, and then salt. Just a sprinkle is fine. And then cheese. And I kind of want a lot of cheese because I just like cheese. So I'm gonna put it in just like this. So the next thing I want to do obviously is to slice the mushrooms. And I'm gonna use slices. You can cut them however you cut them. But I'm just gonna use slices and make sure I add them while everything's getting brown. I'm gonna add mushrooms. I'm gonna add onions. And then the onion. Nice and thin. And I'll just put some chicken stock. Then I'll add the seasoning, which is Italian seasoning, obviously. And then I will add a little touch of cayenne. And some garlic, just like that. And then I'm gonna cook it down. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt because I'm gonna do one pot pasta, right? Keep it a good mix, see how we're doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the roasted garlic and herb seasoning. So in goes the spaghetti. just like that. Just a little bit of parsley. I think I'll put some oregano, basil in here too. And crushed red pepper. And then my bread is ready. So since my bread is ready, I'll automatically just put in the tomato so that way everything is ready by the time I need it. And all the flavor will be here. Give this a good mix. Make sure everything boils up at the same time. I'm gonna just plate some so I can get me a nice bowl, just like that. And I'm gonna add the mushrooms and bologna and onions, all that stuff, just like that. It's a nice healthy bowl with some garlic bread, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you try it and enjoy it. So I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. My son de from. Bye bye.